Good evening, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again on the 19th of May, 2021. This is going to be entitled The Elon Musk Effect, Part 5. Folks, it's time to get down to business and really talk about Elon, and did he really have the kind of effect that everybody seems to think he has on the crypto markets? We're going to look at some of these articles that have been published here this week leading up to this crash, if you will, and I am going to go ahead and say crash, of the crypto market today, 19 May 2021. Look at this article on the Insider. Elon Musk tweeted a diamond hands meme as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies continue to crash. Elon Musk tweeted Tesla has diamond hands on Wednesday as cryptocurrencies crash. The tweet referenced a meme and indicates Tesla is holding on to its cache of Bitcoin. The meme has become part of the lingo of Reddit's Wall Street's Best Bets forum. So basically, what they're saying is Elon and Tesla are going to hold on to their Bitcoin even though they don't accept Bitcoin. But does that really have anything to do with the crash? Hold on to that thought. Let's go look at another article. Here we are again. Bitcoin keeps failing at this future of money thing. This is May 19, 2021. It's fun to trade, but you won't want to hedge inflation or buy pizza with it. Bitcoin's use case crumbles. Trump now with more legal trouble. So and so and so. Okay? For one thing, its fortunes rise and fall with Elon Musk's moves. He drove the cryptocurrency to nearly 65,000 this year. They're giving Elon credit for driving it to 65,000. So one article says he drove it down. This article says he drove it up. The electric car company he runs as a side gig to his day job of being pathologically online revealed it would take Bitcoins and trade and hodl Bitcoins and just generally be all about Bitcoins. Then he wrecked Bitcoin's price by saying, oops, never mind, friendship ended with Bitcoin. But today, as the bit sell-off became a bit bloodbath, he raised this flag of solidarity. And here's the tweet. Tesla has diamond hands. For the uninitiated, these symbols mean the publicly traded company Tesla, which has a board of directors that is apparently trapped in a collapsed Hyperloop tunnel somewhere, is clinging to its Bitcoin investment for dear life, no matter how economically foolish. Come on, y'all. Are y'all listening at this? Here's another one. Let's look at this one. Elon Musk crashed the Bitcoin price and proposed a radical Dogecoin upgrade to beat Bitcoin hands down and become the currency of Earth. Are you serious, man? Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices across the board have struggled this week since the sell-off sparked by Tesla billionaire Elon Musk and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin helped wipe $300 billion from the market. Man, listen what these people are saying. Two people, one person, can whisper something or tweet one thing, and it's a $300 billion. Do you really believe that? Do you really believe that? Let's look at another article. Here we are on Forbes. The week crypto crashed. Market dropped $700 billion after Chinese crackdown and Elon Musk environmental worries. Okay, the current cryptocurrency market shrunk by around 27% this week after Tesla billionaire Elon Musk raised concerns over Bitcoin's environmental impact, and China renewed its regulatory crackdown on digital assets, sending leading crypto tokens into double-digit tailspin and erasing almost $700 billion in value. Now, folks, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you right over there to CoinMarketCap. Let's just go over there. I have another video that was published today. I want you to take a look at it. Okay, this video, I have two of them. Is it blood? Is it blood? Okay, and the next one, of course, is the one talking about don't sell your crypto. The top 1,000 cryptos have the same pattern. Folks, I need you to understand that Elon Musk, I'm going to say it right here, he didn't have anything to do with this market crash. Why is it that every single news source is saying that Elon Musk had something to do with it? Everybody that wrote something is saying Elon Musk did this. Now, I have several videos talking about the Elon Musk effect. This idea that one man can whisper something, one man can tweet something, one man can just be sitting up here and spit some snuff on the ground and say something, and all of a sudden the market's shaking quake. Now, that might be true for something like Dogecoin. But that's not what happened here. Every single coin, almost, the majority, I would say over 90% of the coins in the top 1,000 coins. Check out my video talking about don't sell your crypto that was published today. 90%, over 90% have the exact same pattern. This ain't no Dogecoin effect from no Elon Musk. No Elon Musk, no one man, no Vitaly Buterin, no one person actually caused this. This is what I call a computer-generated, kicked-off sell-off. This is not the work of a man. This is the work of machines acting on behalf of men. Someone has something in place. The big wheels, the big companies, the institutional investors, the big banks, folks that won't talk to you and tell you that they have a stake in crypto. These huge organizations that have bought billions in crypto. They're the ones that have their stuff hitched to these machines that basically leverage whatever inside intel and trigger a sell-off. This is not Elon Musk sitting in his power chair with his cat on the screen, sitting up here pushing a button and saying, I want it all to go down today. That's ridiculous. One man doesn't control the entire stock market. Did anybody take note of that today? The stock market went down across the board too. Why are they all going down on the same exact day? Ask yourself, did Elon Musk say, I want the stock market to go down, I want S&P 500 to go down, I want everything to crash today? I just hate today. I don't want the 19th of May to be the worst day that everybody's had. Whose birthday is it that Elon Musk is so pissed off that he wants to ruin the 19th of May for the whole of the earth? We got people blaming Elon Musk for losing their life savings, blaming Elon Musk for the wife leaving them, blaming Elon Musk for all the things that are bad in their life. Every investment decision they made, every dollar that they lost. They're coming out in droves, crying like babies, and have to find someone to blame. And there's Elon Musk standing there with this snide look on his face, not realizing that the whole world is looking for somebody to pin the tail on the donkey. Well, guess what? He's not the donkey. It's not him. It's big business. We need a list of all of the institutional investors that have a stake in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and anything in the top 100. And as I showed you in my video that says the top 1,000 cryptocurrencies all have the same pattern, question mark. Please check that video out. Please check it out. It tells you that these institutional investors don't just have control of Bitcoin and Ethereum. They bought them all. And if you decide that you are going to jump ship now, well, you'll be cut down just like the grass in the spring. You know, when the grass gets too high, sooner or later you got to come and cut it down, right? And they cut it down, and they cut it all the way down to the ground, but the grass always comes back. And if you do it right, it actually comes back greener. I'm trying to tell y'all something. Someone came and cut it down because they want to get in while it's low. They didn't like the price of it. This was a market sell-off that was engineered across the board. It's the only way to explain why all of them have the same pattern. Look at the pattern. Here we are. It's changed a little bit. Everybody's got the little upside down U now at the end. Upside down U. Come on, man. Are you serious? Here we go again. Now, either something's wrong at coinmarketcap.com or all of these things seem to have the same freaking pattern. Does everybody see that little upside down U at the end? Does everybody see that? Look at that. It doesn't even matter what crypto it is. I guarantee you I could go through all of them, the top 1,000 like I did in my last video, and show you that they all got this little stupid upside down U. In the top 1,000 cryptos have the same pattern video, I said they all got this little hook at the end. What's this stupid hook at the end? Well, now they got a stupid hook that is turned into a U. Upside down U. So this is what I have to say to folks. We need to make a mental note of what we're seeing. This is an anomaly that we do not want to ignore. We need to put this in the back of our heads and cauterize it. Don't ever forget that you saw this video. Please share it with your friends. Share it with people who are investing like-minded. This is the kind of thing that we need to be aware of if we're going to be successful. Look at the pattern, folks. Look at that. Look at it. Why is there an upside down U all the way down the line? No matter what crypto it is. What the hell is that? I'll tell you what it is. It's computer trading crypto. That's what it is. Computers selling off voluminous amounts across the board. So all we got to do is sit and wait. Because as I've stated before in other videos, there is not any competing technology with this blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is the new thing that will replace these databases and other means of storing data and information. We don't have a competitor. So this is strictly market manipulation. And the only way it's going to stop is when the minions, the millions of people, okay, when all of them start to buy into the system and head this thing off. Because right now this thing is being puppeted by a few. Once the millions of people in the world, the billions of people in the world start to invest in the crypto space, when they start to have wallets, and their little stack might seem minute to them, but when there are billions of little stacks, it's going to be doggone near impossible for this kind of thing to happen. But with a $1.5 trillion market cap right now across the board for all the cryptos, we're going to see things like this. We're going to see behavior patterns for these cryptos mirroring each other. That right there is a red flag. It lets you know that the largest organizations in the world have already bought into it. And that should be an indication to you that they're not going to let it sit there for long. This is an opportunity for you to buy. You can come in there and get what you need to set yourself up. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just research and an observation. These cryptos should all have different patterns for their prices over time. They should not have identical patterns. Sounds like market manipulation to me. If you've enjoyed this video or found it informative, folks, I want you to share it. Share it. I want you to share it. Somebody might win some Bitcoin if you're a subscriber. I'm going to just go ahead and put that out. I'm not going to put the little cutie pie graphics on there this time. I'll just mention we've got a little surprise for some could-be winner. But right now, I want everybody to win. And the way we all win is understanding exactly what's going on. You don't have to know who's doing it or why they're doing it. You just need to know that they are doing it. And somehow they're controlling and manipulating over 90% of the cryptos. You see it here. You've heard it twice. Share it with your friends. Share it with your associates. All right. That's all I got. It's Crypto Big Boss, and I'm out.